Welcome to Active Listening Audiobook Library, where stories come to life. Today we'll be reading from The Railway Series, written by Reverend W. Autry. Now get ready to listen, imagine, and let's jump into today's adventure.
Every summer, the island of Sodor is very busy. Holidaymakers love to sightsee. And when the weather is fine, there is no better place to visit. Some people like to go to the mountains, others like the valleys. Children love the seaside. One morning, Thomas was puffing along the line that runs to the coast. His two coaches, Annie and Clarabelle, were packed with children going to the beach. Everyone was happy. Percy had taken some freight cars to the harbor. "Hello, Thomas. You look cheerful. I wish I could take children today instead of freight cars." "They're the Vicar's Sunday School," explained Thomas. "I'm busy this evening, but the station master says I can ask you to take the children home." "Of course I will," promised Percy. Later, Percy saw Harold.
"Sorry, Percy can't talk. I'm on high alert."
"Why?"
"Bad weather is due. My help is always needed. Mind how you go, Percy."
"Pah!" huffed Percy. "As long as I've got rails to run on, I can go anywhere, in any weather, anyhow. Goodbye." He set off for the station. It was a beautiful day, but Edward was worried. "Be careful," he warned. "There's a storm coming." "A promise is a promise," thought Percy, "no matter what the weather." The children had a lovely day, but by tea time, dark clouds loomed ahead. Annie and Clarabelle were glad when Percy arrived. He was just in time. The rain streamed down Percy's boiler.
No.
He shivered and thought of his nice, dry shed. Percy struggled on past villages and into the countryside. The river was rising fast. "Oh, I wish I could see! I wish I could see!" complained Percy as he battled against the rain. The tracks ahead had been flooded, and Percy came to a complete halt. "Oh! The water is sloshing my fire!" hissed Percy. Percy's driver and fireman had to find some more firewood. "I'll have some of your floorboards, please," said the fireman to the guard.
"I only swept the floor this morning,"
grumbled the guard. But he still helped. Soon, Percy's fire was burning well. He felt warm and comfortable again. Then, he saw Harold. "Oh dear, Harold's come to laugh at me," thought Percy. Suddenly, something thudded onto Percy's boiler. "Ow!" exclaimed Percy. "Doesn't need to throw things." "It's a parachute," laughed his driver. "Harold's dropping hot drinks for us." "Thank you, Harold," whistled Percy.
"Good to be of service,"
replied Harold as he buzzed away. The water lapped Percy's wheels. He was losing steam again, but he plunged bravely on. I promised! I promised!" He made one big effort, and at last, exhausted but triumphant, he brought the train home. "Well done, Percy! You kept your promise, despite everything." Sir Topham Hatt arrived in Harold. First, he thanked the workers. Then, Percy.
"Harold told me you were a wizard. He says he can beat you at some things, but not at being a submarine. I don't know what you two get up to sometimes, but I do know that you are a very useful engine."
"Oh, sir," whispered Percy happily.